Assalamualaikum student. Today's our topic is electromotive force. Electromotive force is basically energy of the battery give to each coulomb of charge. So what we say, the EMF of a device, say a battery, is a measure of the energy of battery give to each coulomb of charge. So what is it? EMF? EMF is the basic energy supplied to the unit charge by the battery. This is the EMF. For example, if a battery give 4 joule of energy per coulomb, it means its EMF is 4 volt. So what we write, for example, if a battery supplies 4 joules energy per coulomb, we say that it has an EMF of 4 volts. Now we discuss the potential difference. The potential difference between 2 points A and B is a measure of energy used by 1 coulomb of charge is moving from A to B. Potential difference is we measure from the point A and B. This is the potential difference. So we can write the potential difference between 2 points, say A and B, is a measure of the energy used by 1 coulomb charge in moving from A to B. If we measure the potential difference between 2 point A and B, for example, it's at 2 volt. It means that each coulomb charge that is passes from A to B, it will give up an energy of 2 joule per coulomb. So we write, if the potential difference between 2 points A and B is 2 volt, it means that each coulomb will give up an energy of 2 joules in measuring from A to